Shout out to Tony and Ava for this amazing video. So this right here is Limax maximus, also known as the leopard slug or the giant gray slug. And guess what? They're mating. Only thing missing is some pound chicka wow wow in the background. And guess what else? They're both hermaphrodites. So they sling down on this slime rope that they create. And they basically erect two penises that wrap around each other. And they fertilize each other's eggs. How wild is that? Whew! Who would have thought? Nature is very, very interesting, isn't it? Check that out. The more you know.